Many of us today are angry or hate the fact that we have downloaded too many apps on our devices or that we have signed up on several accounts online that we are not even making use of. I'm not about to tell you to delete all your apps or to throw away or sign off on all the accounts. What we are talking about is being safe online with fewer but stronger steps. You are welcome to Cyber Culture Interface. If you are joining us for the first time, please like, subscribe, and share. Today, we are looking at basic principles of streamlined cybersecurity practice. These are things that we call cybersecurity best practices. These are things that will help you to maintain the cyber hygiene. And when I'm talking about cyber hygiene online, in cybersecurity, we are talking about reducing or choosing to wisely reduce your online footprint. That is, how many of your information or data is out there online. Reducing your exposure to cybersecurity attacks by reducing the amount of information or data about yourself that is being shared online. And this is a shift in mindset. It's all about value over volume. Instead of having 50 apps that you may not open them in 5 months, have 5 apps that you use regularly. Remember, the fewer the number of apps you have, the fewer your information shared. Apply or use only essential apps, essential accounts. If you don't have to sign up for that account online or if you don't have to sign up on that platform, please avoid signing up. If you don't need it, don't do it. Consciously audit your digital tools. Do you use them regularly? Do you use your devices or those accounts or those apps you set up? Do you use them regularly? What kind of information, what kind of sensitive information about you do you have to share or do you have to put on those apps before you can use them? This is a way to audit you. So this is all about prioritizing your privacy. Remember, the less exposure, the more secured you are. The less information about you that is online, the more secure you are. So these things will help you to maintain a strong defense online against cyber threats. This is Cyber Culture Interface. If you have gained one or two things or anything from this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's help to maintain a safe digital space.